how you can get started as a beginner in 2025 with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, if you watch this video, maybe you're someone who has tried affiliate marketing for years, maybe for months, maybe for weeks, and you are just stuck. You don't know what is going on. Maybe you have bought some courses in the past and you had some bad experiences. Maybe you lost money and time. And now in 2025, you see there are people making 5,000, some of them are making 10,000, some of them are making $50,000 per month or more with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is nothing else than promoting other people's products. But in 2025, the game is changing. Okay? You have to understand as you watch this video, okay? You need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step. For example, over the Zoom call, set up the ad campaign. So you know exactly how to get it up and running correctly. Because let me ask you this. Was there any guru on YouTube or somewhere else tell you this secret, which is you need to know low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. For example, if you're promoting manifestation product or weight loss offers, do you know that you can, if in the case, for example, let's say that you're promoting to females and you are saying you are overweight, you're fat, you have to lose weight, okay? You are making personal negatives, okay? And this doesn't work. Why? Because psychology of marketing must be applied to every ad copy and pre-sale page, okay? If you make someone feel bad in ad copy about weight loss, for example, especially to females, if you're marketing to females in Canada, Australia, US, ClickBank products, and you are using personal negatives like that, for example, you're making them feel bad that they are fat or overweight, even though it's true, okay? But in their mind, they have to accept before they make the purchase. They have to accept, which is really hard for someone to accept that they are overweight. So there are different sequences and ways we are dealing this on ClickBank, when we are promoting ClickBank products, with ad copy, for example, with Facebook ads or Google pay-per-click ads or TikTok or YouTube ads, right? You have to understand which traffic source you're using, and you don't have to know technical stuff. We are not IT experts. We are marketing experts, okay? We are marketers. We are not IT software developers, okay? So if you're watching this video, maybe you're 40 years old, maybe you're 20 years old, I don't know, maybe you're 70 years old. It doesn't matter how old are you or where you live. If you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day, you can do this, okay? Without showing your face. Because once you do this, all you have to do is you have to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you and showing you exactly what works in specific niche. Now, I could show you winning ad campaigns, but this will not do anything for you. My friend, this will do nothing for you. Why? Because every market, every niche has different criteria, different structure, okay? So you cannot just apply, copy and paste everything to the same market. It will not work out. I know maybe you bought a course and some guru told you can copy and paste to every single market. No, it's BS. It doesn't work out that way. But if you want consistent, sustainable income, passive income, like for example, $100 per day to $300 or $500 per day or more, yes, it's doable. 30 minutes per day, you can run campaigns, okay? Because once you are up and running, you can finally start seeing results for yourself. But all you have to do is you have to connect with someone one-on-one to actually in 2025, finally, once for all, start having results. Because this system, it will allow you to start having results naturally, okay? You can check my WhatsApp, my Instagram. Okay, I'm sharing. I traveled over 65 countries thanks to affiliate marketing, thanks to being super affiliate. Okay, not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take this seriously. Maybe you can do this for your family, for your kids, if not for yourself, for your mom, for your dad, for your grandparents, I don't know, your kids, wife, husband, right? It's doable, it's possible, but you have to be serious. You have to not procrastinate. You have to take action now as you watch this video. Okay, again, you don't have to set up your own website, your own products. No, you promote other people's product on ClickBank, okay, and you don't have to choose product. This is all done for you, done together with you. So we choose products together, get it up and running, and in first week you can start having results, okay? Because all you have to do is connect with someone to have great results and to start moving forward in life. Okay, so again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions, please, only if you're serious, if you have a little bit of money to invest in yourself and a little bit of time, if you have some money and a little bit of time, connect with me one-on-one. There is WhatsApp number, email, Facebook Messenger, also Instagram, but only if you're really action taker, if you really want serious results and stop making excuses in 2025.